So here's the custom step that contains the Externalizer API code. What this is doing is it's retrieving the payload of the workflow, as we can see here, get item, and then down here at line 125, it's getting the path. Then we're going to invoke the Externalizer's publish link, and we're going to pass in the path and the resource resolver. And this is going to return the absolute path of this payload here. And then we're logging it out. So we're going to run this workflow and then see the output of this code. Here's our workflow. It's pretty straightforward. The second step is our custom step. So we open it up, we can take a look. Under process, we can see my externalizer step, and of course this is mapping to line 89 where we specify my externalizer step. Now we're looking at the link externalizer configuration. So notice under author and publish we have HTTP my AEM server 4502, and then we have for publish HTTP my AEM server 4503. So we're gonna, in the code, we're gonna call this value, and then in the log file we should see this. Now we're going to invoke the workflow on this English page. So we're going to click create workflow. We're going to select our workflow from this drop down. So it's going to be get payload path. Then we'll just put an arbitrary value for its title. So we'll call it path 60. Click next. Select the page. Hit create. So now this is going to send an email here that we see right here, so we can click step 1, and then right here is the first step of the workflow. Click OK. So now it's the final step. We're going to open up our log file where our custom step wrote to. We're going to scroll down, and then we're going to take a look to see where our where it's written to. And we can see right here it says the here's where the custom step wrote to. So the full URL is HTTP my AEM server 4503 content workflow URL en HTL. So this shows that the Externalizer API has successfully performed its job.